Before you upload your first YouTube video, stop. There's something more important than the video itself. Most beginners miss this, and their first video completely flops. But you won't, because you're watching this right now. So take a deep breath, because we're about to unlock the exact settings that turn a random channel into a real creator brand. This is the video I wish someone forced me to watch before I hit publish for the first time. Because YouTube isn't just about uploading, it's about preparing your channel like it's a launch pad. And today, we're igniting it. Let's go. Setting number 1. Channel tags. Telling YouTube who you are before you even speak. Imagine trying to introduce yourself in a loud room, but with tape over your mouth. That's what it's like uploading your first video without channel tags. These tags aren't just keywords. They're your first conversation with the algorithm. Go to YouTube Studio, Settings, Channel, Basic Info, Add. Channel name and keywords that define your niche, your mission, and your content vibe. Don't overthink. Think. Fitness tips for beginners, finance for students, funny cooking fails. Put 10 to 15 solid ones. You're not gaming the system, you're guiding it. And here's a mindset shift. You're not just uploading videos, you're training the algorithm to know you. Next setting. It literally saves hours of your life. Setting number 2. Upload defaults. Automate your excellence. Every time you upload, do you really want to copy-paste the same hashtags, social links, and descriptions? Nope. That's why you set up upload defaults. Head to settings. Upload defaults in description. Add your Instagram, Discord, website, anything valuable. Add 5 to 6 niche hashtags you'll use every time. Write a strong intro about your content. Short, sweet, keyword-rich. And here's a golden nugget. Leave tags half filled with general keywords you'll always use. That way, when you upload a specific video, you only have to add the custom ones. Small setup now equals to hours saved later, and your future self will thank you. Now for a setting that feels small, but changes everything about growth. Setting number 3. Visibility. The secret. 24-hour strategy. This is controversial, but I swear by it. When I started uploading, I thought, why wait? Hit publish, get views, done. Big mistake. Here's what I do now, and I want you to try it too. Upload your video, but set it to unlisted for 24 hours. Let it breathe. Let the algorithm scan it, index it, analyze it. Let YouTube do its homework before you go live. Then, after 24 hours, switch it to public. Think of it like marinating a great recipe. You don't rush flavor, and you shouldn't rush metadata either. Ready to avoid trolls? This next one protects your peace. Setting number 4. Comments. Moderation. Your digital front door. Negative comments can crush your motivation, especially in the beginning. Let's avoid that. Go to Settings, Community, Defaults. Change your comment setting to hold potentially inappropriate comments for review, or even strict if your niche attracts spam. You deserve a space that lifts you up, not drags you down. Let YouTube be your bouncer. Next, the setting that could literally delete your channel if ignored. Setting number 5. Is your content made for kids? Yes or no? Think before you choose. Fines are real. Mistakes here are deadly. In Settings, Channel, Advanced, choose if your content is made for kids. If you don't choose now, you'll have to answer that question every single upload. And if you lie, your channel could get flagged or removed. Be honest. Be clear, be consistent. Now, let's protect your security, because one mistake here could cost you everything. Setting number 6. 2-factor authentication, your shield against hackers. Hackers don't care if you're small. They look for creators with weak defenses. Turn on 2-step verification from your Google account settings. It's required for monetization, but more importantly, it's required for peace of mind. Treat your channel like your business, because soon it might be. Speaking of business, your next move is building trust with viewers even before they watch your first video. Setting 7. Branding plus contact info. Look like a creator before you are one. In YouTube Studio, customization, branding, upload. A profile picture. Clear, friendly, recognizable. A channel banner, simple message, niche colors, aligned with your thumbnails. A video watermark, subscribe button. In basic info, write a killer channel description, but don't write about you. Write about the viewer. What will they get from your videos? And at the bottom, add a public email. But here's the catch. Never use the same email you log in with. Use a second email, because if people know your login email, you're half hacked already. Now, one last setting, and this one might divide the room. Setting 8. Remixing. Let people reuse your content? Yes or no? YouTube Shorts, remixes, duets. They spread like wildfire. Allowing people to clip your content can boost growth, but some creators hate it. Here's my honest take. If you're new and want fast exposure, turn remixing on. It's free marketing. Go to Settings, Advanced, allow people to remix. If you're building a personal brand and want control, turn it off. The choice is yours, but make it intentionally. So many people focus on their first video, but you're focusing on your first foundation. because success on YouTube doesn't start with views. It starts with the right settings. Now, you're not just uploading a video, you're launching your vision with intention, clarity, and confidence. Tell me in the comments, which of these settings surprised you the most, and what video are you planning to upload first? Subscribe if this helped, and remember, anyone can upload a video, but creators, they prepare before they publish. See you in the next one.